In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate Microsoft Word unlicensed products. If you're seeing unlicensed product on Microsoft Word or other Office apps, it means the software isn't activated and you're limited to viewing documents only. Here's how you can legitimately activate Microsoft Word using legal and supported methods. First, make sure you're signed in with the Microsoft account that was used to purchase or activate your Office license. Many times, Word will automatically activate once you sign in with the correct account. If that doesn't work, open Word and look for Activate in the top bar or under File Account. If prompted, enter your 25-character product key, usually found in your email, on your Microsoft account, or on a card if you bought a physical copy. For users who purchased Office through Microsoft 365, just signing in is enough, no key needed. If you don't have a key or subscription, you can buy a genuine copy from the site, Microsoft's official website, or choose a Microsoft 365 plan, which gives access to all apps, cloud storage, and regular updates. Avoid cracks, illegal activators, or pirated tools. They not only violate Microsoft's terms, but can seriously harm your device with malware or viruses. Microsoft is stricter now than ever, and such methods no longer work reliably. Once activated, the unlicensed product message disappears and all features in Word unlock again. If you're still having issues, use the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant, Sarah, a free diagnostic tool from Microsoft that helps fix common activation problems quickly. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.